hi guys. This is the reveal. This is the reveal. Okay, let's do it.
Pero ginagawa ni Papa, palayok na ano, sinusubo. Pinapasko niya, pagkain.
I did it in my
Palayok.
own way because it's more
Oh,
fun.
para ano daw, para kahit magkasakit, kumakain pa rin. Ewan ko, sabi niya.
This is the card, I guess.
Anong masasabi mo, Nay?
It had, this is the
Unang kain ng baby.
guys, and this is the guide.
Ang call naman ito,
This is the
first
guide.
day ng class, pakainin
And
ng
this is the box.
malagkit.
Here's some trash.
Magaling sa class.
Pag dumikit yung lesson.
And here's the picky.
Sa unang klase niya,
I did it in my own design. Guys, but look. Guys, it's supposed to be like this. Guys, if you can see. But I did it in my own design. So it's more cool.
Nagising na rin ah. Nagising na
Look
sila.
at the back. Oh, look at the back. Bye.